Check this out. I just reloaded the project and I tried to click the plastic button to see what happened, and then this message keeps appearing. And take a look how many plastic windows it's opening on my browser, and it's trying to sign in to plastic. I cannot show you. I cannot show you for like they open the window sign in to plastic from the Unity plugin, and that's what's going on. Like this is ridiculous. After more than a year, almost a year that they forced us to move on to plastic, Unity hasn't still fixed this kind of issue. I can't get the screen, and that's annoying. I don't know. I'll have to force quit again. Like signing. I'm already signed in. I'm already signed in here as well. This is very annoying because the amount of time we lose doing this is crazy. See the button there? For a second, it almost revived collab, but then Junior is logged in. Now I'm gonna recreate the issue. I'm gonna click here, and then it's gonna give me the issue. Oh, now it's the other one. Okay, so it's 2:33. I'm just gonna wait until 2:35 and then force quit again. And I'll stop using this button because definitely it's not working yet. Let me just check if it's my fault. I guess it's my fault because I haven't updated this here. So I'm gonna force quit and I'm gonna update the plastic plugin in the package manage window, and then let's see what happens. But it's exactly the same issue we were having forever. Like Unity freezes like this because they cannot process this project browser.ongui.repaint. 35. Let's restart. Unity is gonna be not responding. I closed. I'm gonna open it again. And this time I'm going to go to the package manager and update the plugin to see if it's working. Window, package manager. So it's refreshing, checking which packages are installed in this project. So this is the one. It needs to be updated, version control. It's always recommended that we update or downgrade if needed to the verified version to avoid like further issues. And just to be safe, I'm gonna take an extra precaution, and before I click on the button, oh Oh, look at that! This. I wasn't expecting this. Okay, the same issues happening. They ask me to sign in, and then if I close here, they try again, and then they open another window. Then I close, they try again, open another window. So what I was going to say is that I was going to instead of opening the button right away, which Unity did after I updated the plugin. Without I didn't ask them to do that. So I was going to say that before I press this button, I was going to close Unity to restart it so that everything could be like settled down, all the numbers and you know meta files. But yeah, they jumped the gun. I'm gonna force quit once again. I'm gonna close those windows. Wait, what? Here, from plastic. I'm gonna leave the task manager open because I need to force quit so many times. Again, let's do this. The computer has the cache memory is like it opens the project in less than like 5 seconds because it's all in the memory. Oh, now the error is happening right away. I lost the battle. Mm-mm. So the only thing that I can see from here is that this freaking plugin doesn't work yet, finding changes in the workspace, and it's connected to the cloud repository, our lab, to this project, and it's in change set 7, which I don't even know what it is. And again, if I try to close, it's going to, yeah, so I'll, I'll terminate the task already. I'll try to, uh, I'll try to open Plastic and see if I can update the project from there. Oh, see, Plastic wasn't connected. Now it is connected. These are residue like from memory. I didn't do this, so I'm gonna undo. No items. When this happens, we need to click with the right button and delete the objects manually. Can I select all of them? Yes, great. Now, if we go to the branch explorer, I am in change set 211. Oh, this is not the project. I want to open Watershed Explorers 2022. So I am in change set 7, which is correct. It's the first change set from the environmental version, and it seems I made two updates. I'm gonna stay here. Yeah, I don't know what this is. But anyways, the project is working in the cloud, like from the plastic thing, client. Let me see if I can open Unity. If the issue happens, I'm gonna force quit Unity again, and I'm gonna try to update the client, plastic client. Okay, it works now. Yeah, but it's very problematic. It's not something intuitive. It's very, I don't know if they know what they're doing, like in terms of logging in and authentication, but I'm not going to update the workspace because it's been a while. I need to see how the project is before I do anything. All right, wrapping up this video now.